Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my review on this Store Your Board Pulley review. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're interested in getting the Store Your Board Pulley review. How does that actually go ahead and work? And so with the Store Your Board Pulley system, as you can see, I have the pulley attached to the wall, and then I basically drilled in both the pulleys to the wooden posts that are basically horizontal in my garage. So the key thing is that you want to go ahead and make sure that where you install the pulley, so this pulley here and that pulley there, you have to make sure that it's drilled into the studs within your garage ceiling. So that's a crucial step. So I recommend using obviously a stud finder, or you can use like a stud finder magnet to make sure that you're able to actually drill those into the wooden post of your garage. Because if it's not drilled into the wooden posts, it's not going to be able to hold the weight that you see right over here. So I was able to find those wooden posts, and the pulley system took me about, I'd say 1 to 2 hours to install. I'd say the longest part was making sure that I found the studs correctly. But once you find the studs on both the pulley ends, you basically just drill it in, and then you just loop the string into the pulley system. Make sure you follow the directions, of course. And then you go ahead and strap your item onto whichever one you want to go ahead and hoist onto the ceiling. And you basically just tie it to the wall. So overall, I'd say it was a very, very easy installation. Make sure you follow the directions. And of course, make sure that you go ahead and find the studs within the ceiling so that you can actually hold the object in place. And so with that, it was a great pulley system. I feel very, very comfortable actually for it to hold this much weight. So as you can see, it's holding my cargo box, but I've had no problems whatsoever. And so if you want to go ahead and clear up space in your garage, maybe you have a kayak, a cargo box like me, this is a fantastic piece of equipment to actually have in your garage, so check it out.